Good morning friends. Today I am discussing about certificate of shares. A share certificate is a document issued by a company stating that the person named therein the registered holder of specified number of shares of a certain class and they are paid up to the amount specified in share certificate. As per section 46(1), a certificate issued under the common seal of the company specifying the shares held by any person shall be prima facie evidence of the title of the person to such shares. The share certificate must bear the common seal of the company and also must be stamped under the relevant Stamp Act. It should be state the name as well as occupation of the holder and number of shares, their distinctive number and the amount paid up. Every company making allotment of shares must deliver the share certificate all of shareholders within 2 months after the allotment. In case of transfer of shares, the share certificate must be ready for delivery within 1 month after the application for registration of transfer of transmission of shares. A share certificate is a conclusive proof of owner right on shares and it creates a estoppel as to title and estoppel to payment. An estoppel as to title is concerned by issuing a share certificate. The company cannot afterwards deny the title of the owner. A shareholder must keep his share certificate in case custody or in case of shares which are traded in demat mode with the depository. If a company with intent to defraud issues a duplicate certificate of shares, the company shall be punishable with fine which shall not be less than 5 times the face of the shares involved in the issue of duplicate certificate, but which may be extended to 10 times the face value of such shares or rupees 10 crores, which even is higher, and every officer of the company who is in default shall be liable for action under section 447. The next is content of a share. First one, name and address of registered office of the company. Second one, serial number of the share certificate. Third one, date of issue of the certificate. Fourth one, name and address of the holder. Number and class of shares. Sixth one, distinctive number of shares included in the share certificate. Seventh one, nominal value of each share. Eighth one, amount paid on each share. Ninth one, impression of common seal. The last one, space for the signature. The next one is share warrant. Share warrant is a document issued under the common seal of the company stating that the bearer is entitled to the specified number of shares. Being a bearer document, it can be transferred by mere delivery. It is not necessary to register the transfer. Share warrants are negotiable instruments for all practical purposes. Next one is provision of issue of shares. First one, the article must be empower the company to issue share warrants. The share must be fully paid up. Share warrants cannot be issued for party paid up shares. Third one, the company must obtain the approval of the central government before it can issue share warrants. Fourth one, only public companies limited by shares can issue share warrants. I hope it is clear. Thank you.